First start to the beast. Yamaha. I've already done 20 miles on it so far. I couldn't stand not going out. I did record it, but the mic didn't work, so yeah. So this is the second ride out. The first ride, the microphone wasn't connected, but I did give it a nice little tickle. It feels amazing, like straight off the bat. Like, it's a bit weird getting used to, like, you got all these controls here, and it's a bit like, what, I'm clicking half the time, because on my SRAD1, my indicators are down here. Obviously they're up here now. This big chunky right one, or it's meant to be like for like ease of use, but yeah, I keep hitting the horn at the minute. I haven't been able to kind of go through the modes yet. I'm still learning them at the moment, to be honest with you. In the booklet, in the handbook, it says to keep the rev range around about 6,000. I can put the exact figures on the screen now. But obviously, what I've been reading up on, keeping it, like babying it, keeping it in the low rev range for such a long time, actually does more, well, the same amount of damage if you were sat at like 10,000 RPM. Now with that, it's just to help with the running stage of the engine, so it's something to do with the helps with the ring sit or seat or something. I don't know the exact specifics. Obviously, I want this to last as long as possible, and it's more down later down the line where it becomes like an issue. I cannot wait till we can actually give it some, because it is so agile. Like, it's such a fun little bike, and I've only done 23 miles on it. Like, it literally, I got it on 0 miles, which is insane when you think about it. But yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of rides, just going out and about. My brother's recently got a SRAD. Now that thing, the 600 cc, and it reminds me so much of my CBR 600RR. I absolutely love that bike, the bike that I track. And you know what the craziest thing is? He bought it for 1,200 quid. 12! Like, it's on 40k miles. It's got a bit of like spluttering over like 7,000-8,000. However, we kind of diagnose that down to either bad fuel or the cars just need a bit of a clean out. It's just a bit of gunk, because it idles perfectly. But when it comes to like that side of things, it's not really like a big issue, like in the grand scheme of things. Like, now with so what I found with the clutch is the biting point is so far out. It's like pretty much like as soon as I let it out, it's like here. So I need to really adjust it, because that is like quite frustrating really. Brakes, again, they're a bit spongy at the moment, like nothing major. Like the dealership did pre-warn me on this. It's just like how they are. Oh, I should have probably put fuel in. Never mind. I will do a video comparing it to my SRAD1 and Gen 1 of the MT-09. So the proper like raw version of this. Obviously it doesn't have all the mod cons like all this, or you know, the quick shifter from factory. That obviously with this being the SP, it's got the KYW forks, and then it's got the Olins as well. Right, you see what I mean? See there? That's the biting point, and that's me let go. I'm used to like the biting point kind of being like there. But yeah, we'll adjust it. I know you can adjust it on these little knobs for the how far the thingy goes out, but the quick shifter, it is unreal. Like, I absolutely love the quick shifter. This is my first bike with auto blipper going down and quick shift as well. I absolutely adore this bike. Now I've got full tank. Let's have a little gander. Range over 100. It only says over 120. I'd like to get onto like an auto, you know, a YMT, just to feel what it's like. Because it's basically, I guess it'll basically be a bit like a rev and go scooter type thing, but with a bit more pizzazz. But I just wonder what it'll be like on the general aspects of riding every day. So with the quick shifter, not every model of the MT-09 has the quick shifter. It's only the SP that has it. Now with that, as you can see, I'm hardly ever using the clutch. It's only when coming to a standstill where you need to use it, or setting off. Now, so that pretty much makes this, as I say, semi-automatic in that eye of things. So I wonder if it'll be a much of a different experience for me than me having this bike, other than obviously all the extra like mod cons that I've got with it. Now I've just flicked on my headlight. It is so responsive, and that's what I do really love about it. Now, I will be sad if I get a stone chip and get it muddy, but at the same time, this bike, I bought it for it to be used, and that is kind of what I want to do. So the heated grips, lifesaver. I'm so glad I bought them. Yeah, it depends how you want to look at it. You can see it as that's, you know, 300 quid, quite expensive for some heat. Well, what is it, 280 I believe it was, which, yeah, some people be like, yeah, that's well expensive, but it's not. What the fuck's that lunatic doing? What would you pay? Probably 70 quid for some Oxford ones, and then down the line they're probably going to break. Obviously this still comes with Yamaha warranty, and it still keeps the Yamaha warranty as well. Absolutely adore the bike. Now I'm going to do like an update video of first ride out, because it is obviously the first ride, but come on, we haven't been able to, we know what we want. We want to see some wheeling, we want to see some mad fucking launch controls, like we want to see all of it. And obviously at the moment we're quite restricted currently, so the plan is I want to get out on the bike as much as possible, because once I hit the 600, can, like I say, have to keep it low, but we can still give it some tickles, give it some loving, give it some brum brums. This is either going out before or after the parts video that I'm doing. So kind of like the first aftermarket parts you should get when getting an MT-09. So that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on TikTok, as I cut all these videos down into little shorts as well. You can go left down here.